guys, welcome back to my channel new and latest beautiful crochet ideas and crochet butterfly ideas, like creating a crochet butterfly via fun and quick project or a simple pattern for a crochet butterfly, and beautiful ideas. Optional, you can also use contrasting color to work around the center to create a more this and this technique body, and attach the wings and body together by weaving in the ends or using bite of glue is glue if necessary. And I hope you like it my videos and my channel. This simple pattern should give you a cute crochet butterfly. Feel free to get creative and colors and embellishment to make each butterfly unique, and use different colors for wings and body to make the butterfly more vibrant color, and use different yarn weights and the hook size to create butterflies of various size. So I hope you like it my video. Cut a small length of yarn about 6 inches, fold the yarn in half and tie and knot close to the folder. Create a loop. This forms and different ideas, like different stitches and different yarn based patterns. So guys, please see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback.